Today, I am going to show you how to draw Obito Uchiha. After this video, you will also be able to draw Obito like a pro. This video is specially designed for beginners, so let's start the tutorial.
I don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt. In this toy shell, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe, and nobody is watching at night. The water rises. To shake me out again. Need a friend to shake me out again. I don't know if I can find my way out. In this tiny shell, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe. Fall into the ocean. Reaching out, I'm reaching the end. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. It's coming. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching the end.
I have shown you how to draw Obito, so go and try. Hope you can do it even better than me.
Water is rising.